Hello everyone, welcome to Ganit. We will continue with the series of questions that we were doing from exponents. The next question I'm going to talk about is this. So the question says if a to the power x equals to b to the power y equals to c to the power z and b square is equals to ac. So question says prove that y is equals to 2xz over x plus z. Now, how do we begin this question? The biggest challenge in a question like this, where there are too many variables, if you see here, there is x, there is y, there is z, then there is a, there is b, there is c. I mean, we are dealing with 6 variables. The thing that I'm going to suggest you to start this question is going to sound insane, okay? But bear with me. I'm going to ask you to bring a 7th variable in the question. Let's see. So what I'm going to do is I will write a to the power x is equals to b to the power y is equals to c to the power z is equals to k. So I'm asking you to bring another variable k, but don't underestimate k. Never. K is a very, very powerful variable. I'll show it to you. Now, a concept is involved here actually in the next step. So first I'll explain that concept. 3 to the power 2 is 9. We all know that, right? Now, think about it. If I have to express 3 in terms of 9, what should be my exponent? It is 9 to the power 1 by 2, as you all know, square root of 9, correct? Ever thought that how come this 2 moves from here to here and becomes 1 by 2? Because that's a rule that you're not taught, but it is a rule. That is how exactly the exponents are created. So if you transfer exponent from one exponent position to another exponent position, it becomes 1 by, it flips. So what do? You write a to the power x is equals to k. You write b to the power y is equals to k. You write c to the power z is equals to k. And as a result, a will become k to the power 1 over x. Sorry. B will become k to the power 1 by y. And c will become k to the power 1 by z. Now, look at the relation that we have. B, A, and C. So we have a B square is equals to AC. I'm going to use this here on the variables. So B is k to the power 1 by y whole squared is equals to k to the power 1 by x times k to the power 1 by z. Beg your pardon. So we have a k to the power 2 by y is equals to k to the power 1 by x plus 1 by z. So before you start thinking, let me explain what formulas and what concepts I used here. So a to the power m whole to the power n is what? A to the power mn. That's exactly what I did. I multiplied 1 by y with 2 and I got 2 by y. What do I do here? It's a simple rule. Bases are being multiplied and they are same. Exponents are different. They get added. Now in the next step, what we do, since the bases are same, we can equate the exponents. 2 by y is equals to 1 by x plus 1 by z. If I simplify this further, what do I get? I get 2 by y is equals to x plus z over xz. I didn't do anything special. Hold your horses. This is just taking LCM. You have added two fractions all your life. That's exactly what I'm doing. Nothing special, please. So if we simplify this further, what we can do is look at this. The proving statement has y alone on one side, everything else is on one side, and y is in numerator, not in denominator. Where you are right now, the y is in denominator and it's not alone. There is a 2 on top of it. So what we do, we switch. We bring things from left to right and right to left. So what we get is y is equals to 2xz by x plus z, and hence proved. I love this part, writing hence proved. Everyone loves it. Come on, let's be honest. All right, so I hope you understood this question. I'm going to give you an example which is based on the same concept so that you can practice this concept on an actual number also. What we saw was 6 variables. We brought a 7th one, which is quite good. It worked out well for us. Now I'm going to give you a question which you can practice at home. It's based on numbers, but very similar concept. All right. So the question looks something like this. We have 2 to the power, if 2 to the power x is equals to 3 to the power y is equals to 12 to the power z, then we have to prove that 1 by z is equals to 1 by y plus 2 by x. That's what you have to prove. You can take a note of this question, try it. Let's catch up later. Thank you very much.